Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Masturah binti and my matrix number is 056166. This is a video tutorial project presentation for compiler development. I am from Faculty of Informatics and Computing from University Sultan Zainal Abidin, UNIZA. In this tutorial, I'll show how to make a compiler. To build a compiler, there are certain requirements that have to be fulfilled before starting it. Now, I'm going to show you how to install these requirements. The first is to install JDK8. JDK8 can be downloaded from Google, but in my case, I'm downloading from Google Drive. After downloading, double-click on the file in File Explorer. Just click Next until the installation is done properly. Make sure to check the file destination of JDK8 so that in future there won't be any problems. The next requirement to be installed is NetBeans IDE version 8.2. Same as before, NetBeans can be found in Google when you search for the version, but I'm using a Google Drive link. Same like just now, we have to double click on the file to start installing. Lastly, click Next until finish. The third requirement is to install Antler Editor plugin. After downloading the plugins, go to the NetBeans Tools, Plugins, Downloaded at the top, Add Plugin, then find for the file we downloaded a few moments ago. Then, click on the Install button at the left bottom. After a few clicks, it will restart the NetBeans. Now we can start to create the compiler. I will be showing it by steps. The first is to create Java application project. Open NetBeans, click New Project, Category Java, Java Application. Next, rename the project. For this tutorial, I'll be naming my project with my matrix number 056166. Then click on Finish. That's the new project we have created. The next step is to add Antler jar library. The jar file needs to be downloaded. Create a folder, name it compiler, and paste the downloaded file into the folder. Now go back to the NetBeans. On the project side, there is a folder named Libraries. Right-click, add jar, then find the file we downloaded just now in compiler folder. Then, there we have the jar in the library. The third step is to create a grammar file, which is the .g4. To create it, right-click on the package, click New, Other, Empty File, and name it. I will name it Grammar 056166 and make sure to add .g4. Click Finish. Then download the codes that have been given Open with Notepad, copy and paste on the grammar page we just created. There are a few changes to be made, which is change the My Grammar into file name, which is grammar056166. Change to your own package name. And don't forget to add grammar. That's it for our grammar file. Now we have to modify the build.xml. To do that, we have to go to Files and find the build.xml. Then paste the codes that have been given. Now we can modify. Change the location to ours. We can find it if we click on Edit Jar. Copy and paste at the right place. Make sure to change the backslash to /. Same goes to location of entler.grammar. After modifying, we can go to the top Run button, click on Clean and Build Project. That's it. Now we have to create a text file containing the source code. To do that, download the source code. Go to File Explorer and use the same folder as before. Create a new text document. I am naming it after my matrix number. Then paste the source code and change it however you want. But for now, we will try this. Lastly, we can now write the main function. Download the Java file. Go to NetBeans, paste all the imports after package name. On your main Java, then copy the codes and paste it in the class. Now we can change the codings according to our project. First, change the URL to our text file name, including the .txt. Change the lexer according to your project lexer, which you can refer to from your left at the package side. Do on both sides. Mine is grammar056166 lexer with capital L. Same with the parser. It is grammar056166 parser with capital P. Then we can run the project. You can notice the output is based on the source code from the text file. Now we can play with the source code. I am going to try a few more other combinations. We will get the answers according to the source code. Lastly, we can clean and build the project. Now, I want to try using command prompt to compile. Change the string function to args bracket 0. Search for the command prompt, open it. The first thing to do is to paste the link to find the jar file. You will be able to do that after you copy the link from the output at the netbin. Next, write the link to find the text file. After you click enter, you will be able to see the outputs at the bottom of the command prompt. This is how we create a compiler. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn how to do it too. Good luck!